Hello guys! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Sa video ito, alamin natin ang 10 pinakamagandang babaeng volleyball players sa Pilipinas sa taong 2024. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Let's go! Ang pang-10 ay si Kat Tolentino ng Chocomocho Flying Titans. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang opposite spiker. Ang kanyang edad ay 29 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 6 feet and 2 inches.
Hi guys, it's Kat Tolentino from Ateneo Lady Eagles, and I'm here to show you what's in my bag. So I have my Mizuno shoes, Tornado X size 10. And then, of course, I have my knee support from Bauer Fame. This is a really good knee support. I always use it every training and every game. So this is my favorite color also, blue. Bag. It's the perfect size. So yeah, that's it. Hi, it's Kat Tolentino and thank you for watching What's in My Bag.
Ang pang-siyam ay si Kim Kianade ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 28 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 5 feet and 10 inches. Ang pang-8 ay si Jennifer Nerva ng Chiritigo Crossovers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang libero. Ang kanyang edad ay 24 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 5 feet and 4 inches. Ang pang-7 ay si Michelle Cobb ng Akari Chargers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang sitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 24 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 5 feet and 4 inches.
A center of a very well-esteemed team. It's not an easy job. It's like at una nakita ko siya, kaya na lahat. So now I feel like she's embodying her role as center and as a team captain. Makikita talaga the leadership all around this. I'm so happy to see how she's playing right now and I'm really proud of her. Mars, pinapanood ko ito ngayon. I'm so proud of you and the fact na ganito yung perform nila. Nakakapangtaas talaga ng palay mo. Mataas oh. Hindi yung pinakita! Hindi yung pinakita! Basta nakascore nang walang block. Animal song!
Ang pang-6 ay si VP Sharma ng Akari Chargers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 22 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 11 inches. Ang pang-5 ay si Dina Wong ng Chocomocho Flying Titans. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang sitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 25 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 8 inches.
Pwede po. Ay, thank you po. Opo.
Ang pang-apat ay si Mika Reyes ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang middle hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 29 years old. Si Mika Reyes ay isa sa pinakamatangkad na volleyball player sa Pilipinas na may height na 6 feet. Ang pangatlo ay si Rachel Andakis ng Signal HD Spikers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 36 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 10 inches.
Hi, I am Rachel Andakis and I'm one with the Filipino nation in celebrating Araw ng Kagitingan. To our Philippine Army soldiers, thank you for your service, and to those who want to join the Army and make a difference, please visit www.join.army.mil.ph for more information.
Ang pangalawa ay si Vanessa Gandler ng Signal HD Spikers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 23 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 5 feet and 9 inches.
Hi, I'm Vanny Gandler from the Ateneo de Manila University, and this is my set 5. First game essential would be AirPods. Of course, I need my AirPods so that I stay in the zone and I just have my own bubble when I'm like on the way to a game or during warm-up. My second would be bands. I need my bands so that I could warm up properly and really get my muscles going before I start.
Ang pinakauna sa listahan ay walang iba kundi si Michelle Gumabaw ng Creamline Cold Smashers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang opposite hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 31 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 5 feet and 9 inches.
Nominated by Denise Lazaro for Nestie's Plunge to Pledge to help preserve the beaches of Puerto Galera. This is a shared advocacy to help refresh the beautiful beaches of the Philippines. I nominate Ella De Jesus, Kat Gumabaw, and Alta Panilio to do the same. Cheers to summer! Ang hirap pa na ito.
You have to fall!
You forced me! The beaches are the most moving a cleanup package for this cause. I just pushed for Puerto Galera!
So kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video ito, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, likes, comment, and share para sa susunod na mga bidyong aking i-upload. Thank you very much.